So I'm back today at Folkestone Harbour Arm. The Thalassa is going to be leaving in a few minutes time, so hopefully I'll capture that when it leaves the dock. There's a community safety tent down there. There's quite a lot of people down there, so I won't go down there because I don't like too many people in one place at the same time. It has been raining lightly all day in Folkestone, but it's actually turned out a bit sunny now, recording, and it's dry as well. It probably starts soon as well. So anyway, I'm going to leave this clip here and wait till it leaves the dock, and then I'll do another video with the clip. There's quite a lot of people here for the send-off. It's a bit of better perspective up here when you can see it from a better point of view. Yeah, I think this is sponsored by, I can't see on the camera, but it's Folkestone Harbour community project. You can see there's quite a lot of people here, standing up on the pier near the lighthouse as well. There's people down on the other side still making their way here. It's supposed to be going to Boulogne, and it's supposed to be leaving at 2:30. So I'm back about 29 minutes past. I should be departing from the Harbour Arm very soon. There's a load of people down there, like there was earlier. There's a bit more people, a few more people.
Turn the ship around just because he's shouting it out.
Charlie, you play with people all the time.
We're having a day off. We're having a day off.
And also, can I just say, when you go to your school, you're bloody hundreds of people to play with.
The room will be coming up on board the vessel very, very short. So if you want to come down and wave goodbye, please do so. The room will be coming up here on the deck. The vessel will be going off probably within the next 5 to 10 minutes. So if you'd like to make your way up here towards the vessel, we'd be very grateful. Thank you.
Good luck on the trip.
So stay downward then. It's a bit murky.
Yeah, it'll be alright there.
Oh, you're able to see close, are you?
Put this sou'wester on, it'll be alright.